It's a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: integrated navigation system, remote engine start smart device, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, security vehicle tracker system with slowdown, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. GMC, professional-grade vehicle suited to fit your needs. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.